How's it going, everybody? Austin Speck here. You've probably already seen my videos. You've seen me all over social media. I just want to show you how I went from living in a rundown apartment to living a much better lifestyle, all because of an opportunity that was put in front of me over 2 years ago. This is the type of lifestyle that anybody can live with hard work and dedication. So how am I doing this? I work from home. I've been doing this for a few years now. Company's real. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We do file taxes with the IRS, so it's 100% real. I post ads on social media, and the ads generate sales, which gets me a paycheck every Friday. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna go to the office, and I'm gonna show you real proof that I'm actually getting paid. So if you want information, I need you to do 3 simple things for me. I need you to like this video, share this video, comment info below, okay? So like I said, this is simple, guys. It's 100% legit. If you're looking for a life-changing opportunity, this is what you need. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna log into my back office, and I'm gonna show you real proof that I'm actually getting paid. So as you can see here, it has my name, Austin David Speck. On the 1st of January, 1/25, I received $969.28 as a commission payment. I receive these type of deposits on a weekly basis, okay? Let me refresh this so you can see that it's 100% real. As you can see, Austin David Speck, $969.28. So I also did go to the bank and get you some cash out to show you that I really am making money. So if you're looking to make this type of money on a weekly basis, you do 3 simple things. Like this video, share this video, comment info below, and I will send you all the information to get you started making money today. Okay? God bless everybody. I hope to see you on the other side.